Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Creative Creations. Today I'm going to show you another dry embossing technique that involves stamping and dry embossing. And as you can see on this card, the stamping is under the embossing. So, and here's just another example with a different embossing card. Okay, so what you need to do is, like I said, stamp it first. So I have these stampers here, the butterfly and the flowers. I'm using black VersaFine ink. So I'm going to stamp a little bit off the page. Doesn't matter, just down in that corner, as you can see. So then you can see the difference. Here's the card with just the stamping and then with the embossing. Okay, so now I'm going to stamp my sentiment on there. And this I'm just going to eyeball up in the corner here. Okay, now I'm just going to go back behind me here and I'm going to run it through the embossing machine. And for this one I'm going to use, this is a Sizzix Alterations. So I'm going to lay my piece of cardstock in there with my stamping and run it through the machine. And there you go. So there's another way to use your dry embossing and stamping. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at salehandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.